Las Vegas, an electric city that never sleeps. Welcoming over 40 million visitors each year, this entertainment capital of the world is known for its first-class casinos, fine dining, and luxury accommodations. And now there's a place that you can call home when you visit the City of Lights. Welcome to the Berkley, Las Vegas. An exclusive 18-story high-rise located a mere mile off the Strip. It's here in the heart of Las Vegas, where your holiday retreat begins with exceptional hospitality and personalized service, helping create memories that will stay with you long after you leave. When it comes to luxury accommodations, perfection is in the details. With finely appointed suites professionally furnished by top designers, every aspect has been thoughtfully arranged, all with a singular goal in mind: to unpack, unwind, and feel at home. Fully equipped kitchens mean you have everything you need to create a quick and easy snack or a full-course meal for family and friends. Wrap up the day relaxing in the tubs before resting comfortably on the plush pillow top of a king-sized bed. Each day brings a wide array of activities to choose from. Take a dip in the refreshing outdoor pool. Recharge in the fully equipped gym. And while there are plenty of dining options within walking distance, the Berkley Las Vegas also provides on-site barbecue grills for a fun and different dining experience that'll keep you close to home. And when you're looking for a little more excitement and adventure, you can head right next door to the Silverton Casino. With over 10 different restaurants and bars to choose from, you'll enjoy a wide array of eclectic culinary flavors. Then stick around and test your luck at the Silverton's full casino. Whether you like the card games, playing the machines, or rolling the dice, you can place your bets just a few steps away from the Berkley, Las Vegas. And for the kids, make sure to check out the Silverton's impressive 117,000-gallon aquarium, which has been named the best free attraction in the entire city. Look close. You might even spot a mermaid. So when you're looking for your next getaway, in a destination where luxury accommodations meet world-class entertainment, the Berkley Las Vegas blends the perfect balance of family fun and adult play with plenty of relaxation. Welcome to your home on the high desert. Welcome to the Berkley, Las Vegas. The Vacation Village Family Resorts were created with one thing in mind: to help create vacation memories for family and friends that will last a lifetime. With over 35 years of experience in the development and management of timeshare resorts, we here at Vacation Village are committed to providing families with award-winning, beautifully appointed, quality accommodations. Each of our resorts are designed to provide easy access to the wonderful activities and attractions each location is known for. From inspiration on the links to the gateway of a wonder-filled world of fantasy. Vacation Village Resorts, making sure your time shared is indeed time well spent, creating memories to last a lifetime. Come and see us soon.